I'm Boonk again, right? Get that's right there. That's the only.
Right.
I'm like at the place. It gets right. Think I should. Oh, I'm. Oh, we is right. It's not gonna make you feel so. Dude, can't. So listen, you do it before.
There.
3, 4, 8. Like, all right. I need a ladder.
Homer, restless.
They're restless. They're tired.
They're
right?
young and they're restless.
Look, they're restless and they're tired. And I still got the motherfucking hiccups. So fuck it.
Right.
Anytime we do this, we have
Okay.
app on my Instagram. Give me getting top on my shit. I feel like my shit.
Right. Right. Worth it?
Yeah. All right. When I have
Completed.
no suspended, you know, I got a new. Okay. No, the same. I got his up.
Homie Boonk. Oh my. Oh man. That was something. That was something else.